Anthony Pompliano. He's announcing a $1 billion merger to create a pro-cap financial Bitcoin native services. So Anthony is also getting into this mix. As part of the business combination, I have raised $750 million with its, which is his largest initial fundraising in history for a publicly traded Bitcoin treasury company.
Well, this isn't necessarily a stablecoin. This is the Michael Saylor approach, right?
Yeah, Michael Saylor approach for Bitcoin.
Another shell company becoming essentially just the way for traditional capital to flow into Bitcoin.
Yeah, and the alignment here is the fact that the traditional finance, the IPO sector, is getting exposure to Bitcoin, getting some stablecoin action now.
Yeah, so we got multiple vectors for like the equities game in relation to like actual hard crypto fundamentals. Essentially, there's nothing more fundamental than the value of Bitcoin in relation to crypto, right? So you've got your pretty well established mechanism to bring that to market, right?
Yeah.
Just create a shell company, raise a bunch of money, buy a bunch of Bitcoin, and IPO that shit, and just number go up for
now
however long.
Yeah, so you have essentially paper money in the traditional sense, and that paper money is like 401ks, all this like traditional financial instruments can now purchase and get exposure to crypto through these like shell companies. And so it's a pretty reasonable business model.
Yeah, and it plays into what we're talking about, the factor in the macro climate, the regulatory climate, and then just the overall narrative and the excitement happening around this. Like it's like an institutional cycle for Bitcoin and crypto in general, but stable coins being that showcase crypto product market fit that's like palatable, right?
Yeah.
You can't really bring memes to the IPO market, at least not yet. I wouldn't be surprised.
There's some meme stocks out there, but it's not to the same extent.
Well, I mean, like an actual meme that's like...
Yeah, that's true.
Like a treasury company becomes like a meme holdings company, and now you've got the traditional equities markets like speculating on that.
See, now that would be the top signal of all top signals. Like a shell company buys Fartcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah.